Good afternoon, everybody. This is Adam with MarineMax Lake Wylie. Today we're featuring the 2026 Harris Solstice 250. Featured in the exterior color of black metallic with this incredible luxe gray interior. Come on aboard and check it out. All right, thanks for joining me aboard the 2026 Harris Solstice 250. Now, starting all the way in the back here, we can see we've got our completely redesigned pop-up cleats by Harris. We do have this incredible swim seat here. Just folds down right in the water, easy on board, easy off board. In the back, plenty of cup holders. We've got our JL audio controls. We've got our USB, USB-C charging. We also have additional audio controls here, so when you're at the sandbar, very easy. And also some shore power here as well. So when you're at your dock, keep the boat plugged in. Incredible sound system in the back with the speakers. I do want to call out this the ski tow package that we have here in conjunction with our safety system. These attached allow you to ride safely and legally facing aft while you're underway. Moving across, we've got this Mercury Verado 300 horsepower engine, incredibly quiet, incredibly powerful, very, very fun motor. Here we've got our lily pad ladder. Easy down, very easy to get up and down on and off board the boat. Now here we've got plenty of storage. Here we've got our additional JL audio equipment, lots of storage throughout, and you can see how Harris has outfitted this gel coat fiberglass all the way through and through. Through our walkthrough, we've got our safety gate here to keep the kids, the dogs on board the boat at all times. Folding swing back. This will fold all the way flat, so you can have a complete sun pad here, or you can lounge, again with your safety system, perfectly fine to ride facing aft. Now come on board here, come on into the cockpit area. We've got our table. This is removable, this is stowable. Incredible seats here. If you haven't had a chance to sit in the Harris seats, I highly recommend you doing this. This nice charcoal diamond stitched inlay, fantastic feature. Now as we come over to the helm station, this is like a cockpit. It's incredible. This is a very hardy raised helm. We've got our twin 9-inch Simrad screens. Again, upgraded JL audio system here, speakers and storage throughout. On our binnacle here, very easy. This is a digital throttle and shift with active trim. We'll walk through all of that when you come on in for the test drive. Moving forward here, we're going to have our table. This is going to fold up, and again, you're going to have additional storage there as well. Huge in-floor storage compartment and enormous bow area. So all your friends, all of your family, plenty of room for everybody on board this boat. And if you come on up one more time here, I do want to call out this tower. This is my favorite tower that Harris offers. This is the Ultra Tower. Incredible coverage, incredibly sturdy while you're underway. No shake, rattle, and roll while you're moving in this one. I do appreciate your time today. Again, my name is Adam with MarineMax Lake Wylie. This has been the 2026 Harris Solstice 250.